So, hi friends, how are you? So, here we have a new video, and this is the latest video. And this video is regarding baby warmer, infant radiant warmers, and what is the fault actually in India and in other country also. Mainly in India and in Asia's countries, there is lot of problem regarding the electricity. Number of times phase changes, and due to which a short circuit happened between phase and neutral. So line and neutral sometimes collapse with each other, and it will affect your electronic appliances. As medical equipments are also a kind of electronic items, so it also affect due to electricity problems. So here you can see we have a baby warmer. It is also affected by the electricity fault. What happened in that hospital, due to a short circuit, or you can say due to a under voltage, there was a problem regarding the short circuit between the phase and the neutral, due to which this baby warmer get affected. What is the problem in this baby warmer? This baby warmer is not getting start. No effect when you are making it on and off. There is no effect. You can see that it totally dead. What happened inside it? And the solution I am giving you is a universal solution. It will applicable on all kind of medical equipments which have a DC power supply. Every DC power supply has some sort secrets, and I am giving you one of the universal secret behind each and every medical equipment, and it will be useful in every kind of your medical equipment which will affected with electricity fault due to over voltage, due to overload, or due to short circuit between the phase and the neutral. That is the solution. So inside this baby warmer, you can see in this baby warmer, you can see there is a initial on off power cord. So and there is the on off button. There is just initially one fuse is there, and you can remove this fuse with the help of any minus anything. You have to push it out. You can see fuse is here, and when you will check, the fuse will get burn out. So you have to replace first of all this fuse. So this fuse is a removable item, and you can easily remove it. And here I can see the rating of the fuse is printed on the top of the fuse. Yes, the rating of the fuse is 4 ampere. You can see on my thumb nail there is a 4A is printed here. So that is the 4 ampere fuse, and I replaced it with the 4 ampere. So what is the this is the basic step, and this is very easy. But what is the secret? Come on the second part of the video, and you can see here is a fuse, kind of slow blown fuse is there. This is a kind of, it will work as a fuse for the safety purpose, for making the load overload, because it is a kind of heater element. So we provide this kind of component in between the phase, in between the line. So you have to check if the continuity is coming or not. If continuity is not coming, you have to change this component with the same capacitor rating printed on the top of the component. So this is the second thing. After that, there is one more fuse which is also easy to remove or check it. And after that, what is the there are two more fuses. One is that one, and other is that one. This one is okay, but that was blown out. But what is the important thing is here, most of time there is a one MOSFET is there. There is a MOSFET, you can see. When such kind of fault happens, this MOSFET will get blown out every time. Sometimes it's blown out, you can directly see it. Sometimes it was in okay condition, but in while checking the continuity, it will not give you any continuity. It will give you the continuity, sorry. If there is no continuity, that means it is working very fine. If there is a continuity, it will get faulted. So mainly in every load items, if you have a 5 ampere 4 ampere fuse, there is a MOSFET of rating of 481 ohm, and you can replace it with the 511. I am using a 511 ohm MOSFET. So here in you can use from 450 to 550 ohm. All will work fine. So you have to replace that MOSFET. In every item you have to check this MOSFET. So that is the basic course, and there are two fuses. This that is another fuse is there, slow blown fuse for overload. It also have to give the continuity. If not giving, that means it is also get faulted. That is the relay and the capacitor and all of the. So that is the basic thing I want to tell you about the secrets. And there is the battery, there is the transformer which is giving you can check the directly give the supply and check the voltage coming out from the transformer also. So that is the basic and one thing, and more lectures, and I will give you the more videos. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.